How to delete Discord server. So if you want to delete your Discord server, then first of all open up a browser, any browser which you're comfortable with, and then on the search bar you can search for discord.com, or you can also simply open up your Discord app. And after searching for Discord, here on the upper right corner you will have open Discord. Click on that and then make sure to log into your Discord. And after logging in, here you will have your servers. So simply click on any server that you would like. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here under the server, here you have your server, right? So you should right click on your server and then you will find server settings. Click on that. And then under server settings, scroll all the way down and you will find delete server. Click on that. And then you have to enter your server name, and after entering your server name you can click on delete server and delete your server. So that's it guys, that's how you delete Discord server. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.